Hello! Today in this video we're going to demonstrate U2 Pro S thermal inkjet printer installing onto the flow wrapper, TLM flow wrapper in this video. And what we're going to need today is, of course, the flow wrapper machine has to be turned on to trial, and U2 Pro printer, box kit need to be handy, and also your cartridge. In this case we're using S2 cartridge for the BOPP plastic film. It's clear film, and we need these tools: marker, Allen key, 24 volt relay, and 8mm drill bit, center punch, multimeter, and drill, and a hammer. So in this video we will show you how we're going to install our printer onto the flow wrapper. So first thing we're going to do is open a box. Inside the box we have, of course, supplied from INKJETPRINT. We have printing head from INKJETPRINT, and power pack, remote control. Under the remote control we have USB stick, which holds all your messages, and Allen keys, and your screws. Another one which is 4mm Allen screw, and 8mm Allen. And under the plastic tray we have our mounting brackets. So that's the mounting bracket 1, which goes onto the machine, bolted onto the machine. From here we're going to have one long post with the clamps, double clamps, which will give you 90-degree location. And the third bracket is a spring-loaded mechanism, and we'll go onto the second bracket like that. So on the spring-loaded bracket we're going to mount our printer like that. Now the second thing we're going to do is we need to see the flow wrapping machine. Every flow wrapper, like nowadays, every flow wrapper does have photoelectric sensor to detect the mark, eye mark on the film. But this sensor will not be used for this installation, because some customer runs with the eye mark, some doesn't. So we need to split the signal from the main motor. So every time the flow wrapper cuts the bag or pouch, it will send a signal. So if we open the control box of this flow wrapper, I've already opened, here this is the main gear motor which is running our cutting jobs. So on the gearbox we have a bolt nut. That nut, when it turns, it triggers the sensor, photo proximity sensor, which is numbered 5SQ1. So on your flow wrapper, maybe on your application, that this kind of sensor has to be inside the control box. So if we follow that cable, it will go into the PLC and we'll find that signal. I hope this sensor is powered by 24 volt, because we're using 24 volt relay. So that relay, when that sensor be triggered by the nut, it will send signal to the PLC, and also will go to the relay. And when the relay contact, it will send the signal to the printer. So in this case, we need to have our COM port integration cable supplied from INKJETPRINT and also 24-volt relay. So that COM port will be converted to 15 pin cable, and that 15 pin cable will go into the printer COM port. So that's how we do. So let's start it.